Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Irene and today's video is going to be all about my vegan and cruelty-free Korean skincare routine. I'll be showing you what products I use, how I apply them, and review also some of the products that I've been testing out for at least 3 to 4 months. So let's go! So to begin with, I just took a shower and washed my face with a cleanser that I'm not going to mention here because I accidentally bought it and it's not cruelty-free but it's vegan and I didn't have the option to return it, so I ended up using it, but I will not be buying it again and I won't be promoting it here on this channel, of course. But I actually had finished another bottle, blueberry cleanser by Glow Recipe. I will link every single thing in the description. Next step is going to be the toner. I have 2 different toners that I use for different times of the day. This one is Glow Recipe and it has PHA and BHA. It's an exfoliant toner. I'll be using this one, which is more gentle. I'll just take a few drops onto my palm and pat it all over my face. And don't forget the neck. A lot of people forget the neck. So I'll wait for it to absorb and I'll go with the serum. So every single product that I use are actually really calculated because I looked at every single ingredient to make sure that I don't mix ingredients that shouldn't be mixed together, such as retinol and salicylic acid, or like vitamin C and niacinamide. For example, these are ingredients that shouldn't be mixed. So I'm going to go in with this. It's by iUNIK. It's the Tea Tree Relief Serum. Sometimes I just directly apply it to my face and sometimes I just like put it all in on my palm and then just put it all over my face. So serum is the most important part of your skincare routine because serums have ingredients that are able to go really deep into the skin. This one really quickly made a difference in my skin. I had like sometimes on my cheeks I would have little tiny bumps, like I guess whiteheads or this. They were poof, they were gone. After that, you should apply moisturizer to create a protective barrier between your skin and the environment. So I noticed, for example, before when we were living in the north of France, which is much more polluted than here in my opinion, I had so much more skin problems than here, and that's because of the pollution in my opinion. And you should always wear a moisturizer, and I think that you shouldn't use a gel moisturizer, you should use a cream moisturizer because they stay longer on your skin and they are a better barrier. So now I'll go in with the moisturizer. I have 2 moisturizers to talk about, which are Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream, this one, and this one, which is from Juice Beauty. But the other day my boyfriend tried it on and he forgot to patch test, and he comes back and he's like, is it normal that it's burning and it's red? And I'm like, no, you should go and wash your face, darling. Today I think I will go with the Juice Beauty. This one is more creamy and like a white typical moisturizer. This one is more like a paste, but this one is supposed to like be better for acne prone skin, and I mean I don't have so much acne prone skin anymore. I used to have, but I have the habit of buying things that prevent acne. I can't really see myself, I don't have a mirror, so maybe I have like a yogurt face right now, bear with me. And I'll also go in with my eye area moisturizer. It's called Fundamental Eye Awakening Gel by Klairs, and I like this one because it has caffeine and it helps wake up the eyes. And I'll also go in with my lip balm, which is by Hurraw, and it has SPF 15, which is really important to me to have SPF for my lips. You could just go ahead and put your normal SPF also on your lips, but that tingles and I don't like that feeling. Okay, so now that I put on my moisturizer, it's time for the SPF, the sun protection cream. I use this one from Juice Beauty. It's the SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer, and this one is not a chemical SPF because I don't like to use chemical SPF. This one does have a white cast because I use 3 fingers every single time. But I honestly don't care. I put it on my neck, on my face, on the back of my hands, It does not break me out, and after every single time that I use it, my face is glowing and soft and moisturized and beautiful. So I'm really happy with this. I'm so happy with it that I even bought the normal moisturizer version of it, which I just used before. Now, I'm not going to be putting it on because I'm not going to be going out. I'll be editing this video afterwards. But when it comes to SPF, what I can tell you is that you should be using at least SPF 30 or SPF 50. Anything below that for the face, especially in the summer, is just not enough. Okay, now that we talked about all that, it's time to talk about other things that I don't use in this routine that I use maybe during specific moments or during my night routine. So one of these is the Adapalen Gel. I use Adapalen because this is what my dermatologist told me to use years ago, and I still do use it sometimes when I have like sort of thickness or acne, whatever. Breakout. Adapalen is also great for preventing wrinkles and getting rid of scars, hyperpigmentation. It's basically vitamin A and it peels your skin off. So it renews your skin. It's great, but you need to be responsible with it, so see a dermatologist. But this one is a night serum. It's a night serum because it has like the same retinol, because retinol is light sensitive. You shouldn't go out in the sun once you use retinol. So this is the serum I use at night, and the one I used before is the one I use in the morning. This one has vitamin A and beets, and it has the cutest little packaging. It's like a little chemist set. So it has this little, just like the other serum. A lot of people have difficulty using this. It's just because you should press the white thingy that I'm pressing and dip it and then let go, and it's going to fill it completely. This is a sugarcane sleeping mask. It is miraculous. If you have suffered with dry lips like I have all my life, it doesn't matter what balm you put on your lips, whatever you tried, you scrub, you exfoliate, nothing works. This works. This is amazing. So you put it on your finger and you put a lot of it on your lips. You go to sleep the next morning, it's baby lips. I don't suffer from dry lips anymore, only thanks to this. I can't recommend this one enough, and it's really affordable in my opinion. So seeing that one, which is sugarcane vitamin E, worked so well, I tried this squalane oil, which is derived from sugarcane, from Biossance. This I use on my hair, on my legs after I shave. It doesn't burn. You know how you put a moisturizer after you shave and it's like burning? This doesn't do that. So next is my two masks. One of them is the same like the serum that I just showed you, but a mask. It's a retinol mask. Beets and Vitamin A by Sweet Chef. It's like a sheet mask. I used it. I had 3 of these. This is the third one. I didn't use it yet. I liked it. I woke up with really lovely skin, but I'm not going to be buying it again because I actually thought it was going to be like a lot of product that I'll be able to use through time, but it's just one sheet mask and I don't think that's really sustainable. And the next one is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This one is also lovely. It's very hydrating. You put it on your skin, it absorbs really fast. It has a little spoon, you have to shake it. It has a very glowy, like you wake up with a glow, like glowing cheeks, just like a steamed raviolo. So these are the last things that I was going to talk about. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that you learned something from it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!